In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an abstract art by using 2 displace modifiers and 2 textures. Let's create a grid with 25 subdivisions. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's create a blend texture. We also need a noise texture. Let's add the displace modifier. We'll need 2 of them as well. Please feel free to experiment with the settings. The idea is to create sharp edge meshes, and use the camera's focal length to low in order to create an abstract art scene. I'll apply the modifiers and tab to go to edit mode. 1 to vertex select, and Shift Z to wireframe view. I'll select the bottom vertices and S to scale. Let's randomly select the vertices after deselecting them. In camera view, we need to go to the camera setting. We'll need to adjust the focal length. We can get a cool zooming effect if our focal length is set to a low value, and if we manually zoom into the mesh. Please adjust the clip settings to avoid the disappearing mesh issue. Shift back quote to activate the fly mode. Please use the WASD keys to move around while navigating by using the mouse. Let's add a ground plane. I'll add a half-transparent and reflective material. Shift D to duplicate and bring the mesh down a bit. Let's scale the duplicated mesh. Time to add a point light. Shift D to duplicate the point light, and let's use a new color. I'll lower the power for this point light later. This was too powerful. We can't see it from the render preview, but once we render the scene we'll see how bright the scene is. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. Way too bright. The scene is too bright, because of the last point light. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.